spring plowing ceremony was held in Mossum village in Lhasa, southwest China's Tibet Autonomous Region on Thursday. Thursday marked the start of this year's spring farming, according to the Tibetan calendar. Nowadays, agricultural machinery has helped villagers enjoy high efficiency and a good harvest. 80% of agricultural production in Tibet has been undertaken by machinery.
我们会在政府的大力扶持下呢，成立了这个农机合作社。这个合作社呢，我们现在拥有28台机械，包括了收割机、播种机，免费无偿的给群众提供这个服务。重点就是在春播和秋收的时候这两个季节来使用。
现在的话也不是没有什么那个困难的那种事情，现在很幸福，反正是我们没什么那种烦恼啊或者辛苦那些。
By 2022, the average annual income per capita had increased to about 25,436 yuan in Mossum village, twice what it was a decade ago.